Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this fireplace TV stand with LED lights that accommodates TVs up to 70 inches. And my initial reaction after assembling it is that this TV stand is a spectacle, to say the least, and will definitely be the standout piece in any room that it's in. Now, one of the top features is the electric fireplace, where you can adjust all of its functions right from your couch using the provided remote. And the same goes for the LED lights. In fact, both the fireplace and the LED lights are controlled from the same remote, so you only have to keep track of one. And as for the assembly, it took me just about 2 hours to complete using an electric drill, but the average person can expect anywhere between 2 and 4 hours for the assembly. All parts ship in one large box, and the first thing you see here is the instruction manual and customer service contact sheet. Here is box number 3, as you see it labeled here on the front. Here is labeled box number 1, which holds the electric firebox. Here is labeled box number 2. Here are the 2 metal-based support tubes. Here are the 2 metal feet. Here is the bottom panel. The bottom panel will have holes on both sides. Here is the top panel of the TV stand. Unlike the bottom panel, this top panel has holes on one side only. Here is box number 3. Remember to use caution opening the box. Here's the set of pre-organized hardware. Here is the box for the glass shelves that we will unbox in just a second. Here are the 2 rear panels. They have cable management holes that will allow you to tuck away cords and keep the area tidy. Here is the center foot with a built-in leveler. Here is the left and right side rail and top shelf apron. The left and right side rails are the same size, while the top shelf apron is slightly longer. Here are the left and right partitions. These are the panels that are on the left and right side of the electric firebox. And here are the 2 side panels. Be sure to handle this box with caution because there's fragile glass inside. Here are the glass shells. Like the previous box, this one also has fragile glass inside, so handle this box with caution as well. Here you will find the electric fireplace manual. Here's the 23-inch wide electric firebox. Here's the fireplace remote control. Here are the rock crystals. And here are the LED lights. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the fireplace and LED lights so that you can enjoy them immediately. First, locate the 2 pilot holes for the LED attachments. Then, peel off the back sticker of your first LED light and line it up with the pilot holes. Next, use the 2 designated screws to fasten it down, and then repeat the same process on the other side. Next, place the firebox face down on a safe surface and remove the 4 connector screws on the top and bottom of the edges. There will be 2 on each side. Then, lift the firebox and gently add the rock crystals across the middle of the glass display before reattaching the firebox using the 4 connector screws. Next, insert the LED cable jacks into the sides of the firebox. Then, slide the firebox into the back of the TV stand. Lastly, screw the firebox into the back of the TV stand. Now, if you follow these tips, then your TV stand will look like this. I hope this helps, and I do highly recommend this fireplace TV stand with LED lights. Go ahead and check it out.